Welcome to Gear Era, the channel that brings you closer to the evolving world of automotive innovation, design intelligence, and next-generation performance. And today we explore the Ford Capri new model in a way that highlights its engineering, personality, and the modern philosophy behind its return. The Ford Capri new model stands as a unique blend of heritage and innovation, carrying the emotional memory of a classic name while transforming it into a contemporary icon, suited for the demands of today's driver. This car represents a thoughtful reinvention in which style meets technology, efficiency meets performance, and comfort meets functionality. As we move through its design, interior, performance behavior, features, safety engineering, and overall driving impression, you will discover the essence that makes this model a truly compelling option for modern buyers searching for a dynamic and intelligent vehicle. The exterior of the Ford Capri new model immediately captures attention with its beautifully sculpted proportions. The smooth aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the front bonnet to the rear, creating a strong visual identity that feels both muscular and refined. The LED headlamps frame the front with precision, giving the car a confident and expressive face. The grille carries a clean, modern pattern that enhances airflow and efficiency, while the bumper design supports an athletic stance. Along the sides, the elongated silhouette defines the Capri's coupe-inspired character, making it look agile even when standing still. The wheel arches are molded to emphasize its sporty posture, and the alloy wheels complete the aggressive profile. At the rear, the continuous light bar adds futuristic charm, and the bumper structure strengthens the sense of stability. Altogether, the Ford Capri new model displays a cohesive exterior identity that feels premium and forward-thinking. Inside the cabin, Ford has elevated the driving environment with materials and technology that reflect a focus on comfort and modern usability. Soft-touch surfaces on the dashboard, leather seat options, and metallic trim combine to produce a sophisticated layout. The digital instrument cluster brings clarity and customization, allowing drivers to choose the display that best suits their style. The center touchscreen operates smoothly and integrates with wireless connectivity, navigation, voice commands, vehicle settings, entertainment functions, and smartphone systems. The seating design ensures comfort in both city driving and long-distance trips, providing strong ergonomic support. Cabin insulation plays a significant role, filtering outside noise to create a peaceful and controlled atmosphere. Ambient lighting reinforces the premium ambiance, highlighting curves and surfaces in a subtle and elegant way. Altogether, the interior of the Ford Capri new model presents a space that feels technologically advanced yet warm and welcoming. Performance is one of the key strengths of the Ford Capri new model. With powerful turbocharged engines and hybrid alternatives, it offers a dynamic driving experience suited to different preferences. The acceleration feels smooth but responsive, allowing drivers to enjoy a confident push when merging onto highways or maneuvering through city traffic. The suspension system is tuned carefully to provide a balanced mix of comfort and agility, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining grip and control during sharp turns. Steering feedback is precise, giving the driver a strong sense of connection with the road. Whether used in daily commutes or extended journeys, the Ford Capri delivers stability and confidence. The hybrid systems improve efficiency without compromising performance, making the car an appealing option for those who want a blend of power and responsibility. Technology in the Ford Capri new model sits at the center of its identity. The infotainment software is updated with intuitive menus, fast response times, and customizable layouts. Wireless smartphone integration allows seamless access to communication and entertainment. The audio system delivers clarity and richness, suitable for music lovers. Cloud-enhanced navigation provides smarter route planning, while vehicle monitoring tools help drivers manage diagnostics, maintenance schedules, and system updates. Over-the-air updates ensure that features remain fresh and upgraded without visiting service centers. Driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alerts, smart parking sensors, and an advanced 360-degree camera. These technologies add convenience and reduce driving stress, especially in crowded or unfamiliar environments. Safety has been engineered with equal attention. The body frame uses high-strength materials that improve rigidity and impact absorption. Multiple airbags surround the cabin for occupant protection. Electronic stability control and traction systems keep the car planted during difficult conditions. Ford's driver assistance technologies are designed to anticipate hazards and support the driver in complex situations. These systems work quietly in the background, offering peace of mind and reinforcing Ford's focus on safety as a core value of the Capri's identity. With structural strength, smart sensors, and advanced electronic aids, the Ford Capri new model ensures that both driver and passengers feel secure. On-road behavior reveals how thoughtfully the Capri has been engineered. The acceleration is both refined and energetic, offering a balanced push that suits everyday comfort and enthusiastic driving alike. The braking system is strong and progressive, enhancing confidence during sudden stops. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag, contributing to better fuel economy and quiet cabin behavior at higher speeds. The windows are designed to provide excellent visibility, and the mirror placement helps minimize blind spots. The car remains stable during lane changes and maintains a predictable stance on highways, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. These qualities combine to create a driving experience that feels controlled, enjoyable, and efficient. The Ford Capri new model also aligns with modern sustainability goals. The hybrid variants reduce emissions and fuel consumption while delivering smooth power delivery, making them ideal for drivers seeking an environmentally conscious option. Noise reduction technology, efficient systems, and smart energy management further contribute to a responsible form of performance that matches the expectations of future mobility. As the world moves toward connected, cleaner, and more intelligent vehicles, the Ford Capri new model enters the scene as a confident reinterpretation of a beloved name. It respects the emotional heritage of the Capri while introducing cutting-edge engineering and design philosophies. This model represents a thoughtful harmony of style, comfort, efficiency, safety, and technology. For drivers who desire a car that looks modern, feels engaging, and supports everyday practicality, the Ford Capri new model stands as a highly appealing choice. It delivers a complete experience that extends beyond aesthetics into the realm of genuine driving satisfaction. Thank you for watching this detailed and insightful exploration on Gear Era. If you enjoyed this review of the Ford Capri new model and want to stay updated with more vehicle features, performance analyses, and upcoming innovations, make sure to subscribe at the end.